Thokozani, this is Kokota Blamanzi in Siswaga Matibula. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Thokozani guys. Namuhla sizokhuluma the calling Ubizo. What is Ubizo? How do you know that you are being called? What are the signs? Yeah, I could say a lot of you guys are struggling out there. Could see Coco. How do I know that I am being called, and how do I know, Kuti? No, this is just sickness. Like, how do you tell between the two? Ngiyagula, this is nothing, or ngiyagula, this is the calling. Okay, from my experience, lengakutshela kona ukuthi is experience into letihlukahlukene. When I started to notice these things, like the signs, could see, no, this is something else. Lana, there is more to it. Okay, okay, I remember I had this dream ne. Lel popoleli ngabhutang hleli emkhathini, like bangifake emkhathini, like I don't know these people, but banlabatsala bangifake emkhathini. I didn't know what was that called. I still don't even know what's that called. Bangifake emkhathini, and then bangibuta ukuthi ngifuna ini, like what do I want? Ngiyafuna ukuthwasa kumbe ngifuna ukuba umprofita, like ngifuna ukuba sangoma kumbe ngifuna ukuba umprofita. What is it that I want? And I remember answering and saying that mina ngifuna ukuba umprofita. I don't want to be a sangoma or inyanga, angifuni. And then okay, kwathula kancane, and then kwabuya futhi nakubuya kwabuya yimandla, nakubuya yimandla, like sengibhuta ngigqoka buhlalu, like I mean like ngigqoke buhlalu lobu and white buhamba ngatutu, like ngigqokile sona. And then I'm like, okay, what's like kendakalani lana, what's happening? Next thing ngibona ngigqoke mahiya labovu, like the red skirt, still like ngigqoke nalobuhlalu. And then lamanye amaphupho ngibona ngigqoke, excuse me, I'm sorry, lamanye amaphupho ngibona ngigqoke lelihiya lelibhubezi. And then it went on and on and on, lang putsang ngivakashela khona libhubezi, like like okay, like I don't want to go deeper and everything, but like my signs are corner, I would say you have the calling ne uputzamandi, be it ungene mandini, be it uphaswe imandi, be it uyaswima lapha emandini. And then another thing, uputsa inyoka, lenyatiko mine, it's the brown one. And then uputsa mahiya, uputsa buhlalu, whether ubugqokile or awukabugqoki. Another thing is ungabhutsa labantu labadzala, like beta kuwe, bagcoke mahiya, bakhuluma nawe, uyabhutsa usesikolweni, although utuka sikolo like kukayi-2, sikolo siyakhuluma ngeprofita, sikolo siyakhuluma ngebusangoma. So fanele like fanele wazi ukuthi okay, leliphupho leli kahle kahle liwela ngakuphi. But another thing ukuthi, like if you are being called kukayi-2, I don't know if kukayi-3 or anything, but you can be called ube sangoma and you can be called ube mprofita. you can have the two gifts. So okay, and then okay, there are points where you can even start feeling like you're losing your mind, like you see things that atibonang nomang bani atibonang nomang bani, and then you can have deja vus, like or experience izinto letiningi, man, like nasowuqala futhi ukhula ngila, sowuqala like you start forgetting things, you start feeling like you're losing your mind, like uyakhohlwa, like, and it's frustrating, trust me. Angakuthi ngikhohlweni, but there are a lot of things, because as funny guys, and we experience different things as people. Amadlozi ethu awafani. Yes, ungaba unemnguni, nemtsawu, unemprofita, or unemndiki, or whatever that you might be having, but what I know is that into atifani, and then ungabhutsa usemandini, but lamandi lo bhutsa ukuwo anjani. First of all, what are you doing lapha emandini? Because angeke ngitshele ukuthi like utobhutsa ini, like angeke ubhutse the same things, like the exact same things that I dreamt of, no, but ungabhutsa mandi, like kungaba that common ukuthi ubhutsa mandi, ubhutsa buhlalo, but yini letinto letibonako nalama here like awafani makhala, so like you need to know like which colors are you saying, gendakalani, what are they saying to you, like pay attention to your dreams. Ma-signs akhona lawo guys. Angeke ngishiye anything, but if I remember, I'm gonna do another video, and then yeah, I'm gonna share it with you guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Thokozani guys. This is Koko Tablamanzi in Sizaka Matebula. Thank you for watching. Thokozani.